Well, hey guys, Sinister with the Drone Network here, and got another episode of What's in the Package. This was sent to me by Night Train Michael Lane. I will put a link to his YouTube channel below in the description. Please check his channel out if you have not already done so. So let's get to what's in the box here. I already cut it to save some time. And we have some motors. We'll zoom in on those in a second here. So let's see here. These are Tornado 2206 2400 kVs. There we go. Now it's focused. Very cool. Brother Hobby Tornadoes. Very cool. Please don't do that. Excellent. Now guys, if you guys haven't been following along or watching every video in order, Jack and myself are getting into the builds, doing some racing drones, FPV drones. So, trying to collect what we can here to get some builds going. I'm going to have one going for myself and one going for my son for too long here. What else do we have here? Okay, we have... Oh, very cool. It's already got an antenna on it. This right here is an HD LRC. I'm not quite sure what the name of it. It's something pro, but this is a VTX PDB flight controller all in one. So this will come in very handy. It's already got a cloverleaf antenna to it. Very nice. Yeah. So we'll definitely find the use for that guy there. And this is, what is this? Oh, this looks like a FlySky receiver. I did not know this was coming. Yeah, very cool. Very cool. Well, Night Train brother, I really appreciate this. Awesome. Every little bit helps. So thanks for tuning in, guys. We'll see you next time.